Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this 3D to 2D text effect on a CapCut PC. Well, more like animation. I'm just going to type in the number 89 because 1989. Of course you don't have to type in the number that I'm typing. I'm actually going to just do the full thing, and you're just going to choose some like a color that you want this text to be. I'm just going to select blue. And then I am going to copy and paste that. I'm going to select this preset style. Let's go back to stroke and go to thickness. And I'm just going to place it to the left. You can basically select any color that you want. I'm just going to choose that, and I'm going to move it to the left side again, just a little bit. And then I'm going to go back to strokes, and I'm going to choose like a different color for it. Maybe like this red, why not? And I'll just choose one more and copy and paste that and move it to the left a little bit. And again, I'm going to change the color to this purple. Right, once you're done, you're going to right click, create compound clip for everything. I know we did this in like the previous video, but it's like different. So select your text. Actually, make sure you went to blend mode and press screen for each one of them. Forgot to do that. Select your text, add a keyframe at the beginning, and in the middle you're going to want to put it back to like the text here. Well, like attempt to, hold on, I don't know why it's so hard to move it. Okay, like around here. So position is at around 73, and you're going to do that for all of your text. I'm just gonna move it here, 73. Oh, actually it's gonna be different, so I have to move it manually. And then here again, add a keyframe in the middle, then at the beginning, and then you're going to move it to where it is, and you'll have this really cool animation. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!